Alright, let's do a barrel test this morning on restore number 156 for Joel in North Carolina. It's a 1958 18 horsepower Johnson. Completely restored, top to bottom. Runs absolutely great. I've been running her. She ought to start right up. Let me get my handy dandy pyrometer to be able to test the water pump. I'm gonna give her just in neutral, no choke, she's warm. Let her crank right up. Yes, sir. She's a beauty. Runs great. Ready for the lake test run. Putting the decals on the hood right now. Take her out for a lake test run with the hood on, and she'll be ready to ship to Joel. As I'm sitting here with my passion, these vintage outboard motors, I'm reminded of the old proverb that said, paying it forward. So that's kind of what my mission is. If you've ever been mentored by teachers or coaches or your father and taught skills, you get to a certain point where you want to pass those skills on to other people to keep their tradition going. So a big part of these videos is for me to pay it forward. If I can just help one person out there to restore their vintage motor that belonged to their grandfather, I call them legacy motors. If I can help just one person, and I've helped several, restore that motor, my mission is a success. So just always remember and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.